If you're suffering from cataracts, blurred vision, macular degeneration, glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, or any other vision impairment, you must see this. A Nobel laureate in cell research from Japan has discovered a natural approach to restore your youthful eyesight within days. Using his approach, Harvard University's specialized stem cell researchers identified an unexpected link between stem cells and the eyes. Scientists from Vanderbilt University, the University of Utah, and the National Health Service of the United Kingdom peer-examined these findings. These studies reveal that even if you wear glasses or contact lenses, your eyes will worsen with each passing year. This is because they don't do anything to improve the way your eyes work as you get older. This amazing secret habit has sent the entire eye care industry backwards, and they're scrambling to find a high-cost solution to make billions from hard-working everyday people like you. Over 13,000 people have already found success after years of suffering from poor vision, wearing glasses and contacts, and undergoing unnecessary surgery. It's so effective because it targets the single root cause of vision loss. So if you're suffering from vision impairment, stop what you're doing and watch the short, yet powerful video below, that explains how to reverse vision problems as you sleep. And it has nothing to do with medications, surgery, or expensive treatments, and it works for all types of vision problems. Cataracts, diabetic retinopathy, macular degeneration, glaucoma, blurred vision, you name it. Andy Porter was a new grandfather who was excited to see his granddaughter for the first time at the hospital, but when he arrived, his vision was so bad that he couldn't even see her face. He was heartbroken and enraged, and he desperately sought a solution. That's when he came across this award-winning scientific discovery and an indigenous aboriginal fruit that was the key to solving his vision problem once and for all. After seriously studying and scrutinizing this discovery, he put together a remedy based on this prize-winning scientific breakthrough, and he couldn't believe his results. After just 1 week, his dark blurry spots started to vanish, and by week 7, he could see clearly again, for the first time in years. Jenny's glaucoma had progressed to the point where she was on the verge of going completely blind, and she was at the end of her rope. Fortunately, she knew Andy and was eager to try his new remedy after hearing about what he discovered. She was astounded by how much her vision had improved and began to cry tears of joy as her transformation was almost instantaneous, and her vision began to clear within the first few days, to the point where she can now see objects she couldn't see at all just a few days before. So go ahead and click the link below and watch this short life-changing video before it's gone.